Hey, thanks for joining us. Today we're at Autosport in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. We keep a little bit of everything down here from Corvettes, Mustangs, Miatas, BMW Z3s. Today we have a Clean Carfax two-owner 1997 BMW Z3. It's a 1.9 four-cylinder engine with a 5-speed manual transmission. Pretty fun little car actually. Get up on the highway, take it out on the back roads and hit some turns in it. We're going to do a little walk around. As always, if there's anything I missed, feel free to call me, text me. I'll also be glad to do a FaceTime with you as well if there's anything I missed or if you want more pictures of something. Try to do these videos to go over the whole car. We send a lot of cars across the country and out of state. That way, whenever you get the car, you know what you're buying, and hopefully it's everything that you think it is whenever you get it, if not more. So we're going to start our We're going to start our walk around in the front, work our way around. I'll put the top up for you, go through the interior engine bay, and yeah, we'll go from there. So anyways, again, this is a 97. It's finished in Montreal Blue. From what I can tell, it's pretty much all original paint. I haven't really found any paint work on it. Carfax, again, is clean. Going down the front bumper as well as the hood, pretty much what you'd expect for a 97. Obviously, you're going to get a little bit of chipping, nothing out of the ordinary or that wouldn't be expected though. Front bumper is very clean. It's not very scuffed or anything at the bottom. Headlights are really clean. A lot of times these can turn yellow and get super faded and delaminated. Doesn't really have any of that. The grills, the emblem, all of that still show nice. Couple very minor little dents in the hood, nothing to get excited about. Again, you got to remember it's a 97. It's got 79,000 miles. You're going to get a little bit of that, but nothing that would prevent me or you from buying this car. Going down the driver's side here, again, corners are nice. All the lighting is nice. This was I believe it came from Virginia, so it did have a front plate bracket on it. We just left it on in case it goes back out of state. Okay, going down the driver fender here, BMW designation, looks to be new. Going down the fender, again, very clean, no heavy scratches or anything like that sticking out. Does have a nice set of 16-inch aluminum wheels on it. No curb rash on this wheel. The inside is, I'd say, in excellent condition for the age. Set of Mastercraft LSR guard Tourings, plenty of tread on these. They look to be almost new, really. Going down the driver's side here, let's check the glass here real quick. Pretty much just dust on there and a couple little stone chips, but again, nothing that you're going to replace a windshield or anything like that over. Whenever we get a car in, especially from out of state, but pretty much anyways, we always send them out to get state inspections done. We don't do our own inspections. We send them out to a Meineke. They go over them all. We also do have emissions testing in this county, so it can't have a check engine light, dead battery, anything like that within, I think it's about 150 or 250 miles. So we have them gone over. They go over the brakes, tires, lights, all that, make sure they're safe. That way, whenever they leave the road, you can get in and drive. Again, going down the driver door here. I'll tell you what, I don't really see any dents or anything on it. Lower rocker panel's nice. It hasn't been ran up over a parking island or anything like that. Rear quarter panel, again, super clean, nice and sharp inside the fenders. There's no sign of rust or anything like that. Rear wheel here, just as nice as the front. Calipers have been painted red. I think that gives it a nice sporty look, actually. Lug nuts are all nice. Again, not rusted up or any kind of damage there. At the end, I'll put the top up for you. The top is like new. It was replaced in 2021. I got the documentation there for that. I would imagine it might have came with a black top from the factory, but they could have done beige too, but it's in like new condition. Again, going down the quarter panel here, even though the rubbers and stuff are nice, they're not cracked up or sun faded or showing any distressing. Okay, going down the back here, rear bumper actually very clean. Hasn't been backed into anything that I can see. Very little chip there that you'll see in the pictures on the website. Deck lid, let's see. There's a little scratch here. It's about probably 1.5 inches long. Looked like somebody filled it in. Probably tried to, wet sand and buff it out. You probably won't see it, but I'm telling you it's there. Again, you can always go on our website, check out the pictures, and you'll probably see it there and get a better feel for what you're looking at. Passenger quarter, same as the driver's side. No issues there. Rear wheel, same. Driver or passenger door, I don't even see a dent up. Maybe 1 or 2 little dents, but again, nothing that you're probably not going to see in the pictures of the video. But again, I'd rather you know it's there than be surprised when you get here. Lower rocker panel, just the same. Even has the original factory chip guard on both sides, meaning it hasn't been painted or replaced. Nice and clean under here. No rust or corrosion. Same with the passenger quarter panel here. So Kevin's going to stay on this side. I'm going to go around, we'll go through the interior, and we'll put the top up for you. Looks like a few, 1, 2, 3 little dents right there that I just noticed. You've got to catch it in the right light. All right, Kevin, if you want to come over and go through the interior here, might as well open up the door. Okay, nice beige leather interior. BMW leather is always super clean and high-end. Both door panels are nice and clean. They haven't been all chipped up, scuffed, or scraped. The fabric and the leather's still nice and, I don't know what you'd say, it's not dried out or anything like that. Roadster designation again, very presentable. Okay, dash area, as you can see, it does have a little bit of, I guess you'd call it chrome or aluminum accents. Dash area does not have any cracking. All the vents are nice and clean. There's none missing, which is common on these. This car does have factory power windows, air conditioning, dual power seats, a few other options. Again, 5-speed manual transmission, which really makes all the difference in this car. Has been replaced with an aftermarket radio. I don't have the original one, but it's probably better than the one that was in it new. The gauges and everything are all working properly. A lot of these older BMWs, the odometer readings can get pixelated and the lights burn out. None of that going on. No kind of dash lights or airbag light on this car. In fact, I'm going to put the top up, and then whenever I start up, I'll show you that on the camera. So, convertible top, you can see the headliner's like new. All the bar crust here, there's not even any surface rust or any kind of wear at all. Bracketing, perfect. These are all manual tops on these cars. I don't think they started power tops till a little bit later on. I'd rather have a manual top, to be honest with you. First of all, the power tops do fail, and it's probably quicker to do it like this than if it was power anyways. Plus you can do it at a red light in about 3 seconds. Like I said, this top was replaced in 2021. I apologize, it's been down for a few days, so you might see from laying down in the compartment there, but no kind of fraying or wear marks showing. Rear glass, it's plastic, but there's no kind of abrasions or yellowing going on. I'm going to put the top back down so I can keep showing you through the interior. Oh, one thing I did just remember. This car does have the original factory boot cover, which I don't even know if they ever used it because it's pretty much in perfect condition. There's, no scuffs or scrapes on it at all. While I'm in here, back of the trunk again, all original here, finish, perfect condition. Let's see, still has the original jack and all the original tools that came with the car. Battery says 1 of 24, so it looks like that was just recently replaced. I didn't change it, but looks like that was just done. One other thing I just remembered, I can't verify. Carfax says 2-owner. I'm wondering if it's a 1-owner car because there is somebody made an Excel spreadsheet on here from day one of the car that pretty much goes over all the service that it's done. And boy, they really changed a lot of stuff. Basically, I'll start at 75,000 miles. It's got 79 on it now. I mean, they replaced, it says radiator hoses, coolant, the battery. It does say that the front bumper cover was actually replaced, so that was painted. That was back in 2014, though. Oil changes, camshaft sensor, brakes and rotors, spark plugs, carbon induction system, O2 sensor, catalytic converter. So a lot of scheduled maintenance has been done on this car really within the past 5,000 miles. Looked like they only put about 4,000 miles on it in the past 8 years. So somebody obviously just used this as a summer cruiser, a little toy to go around town in. Again, all the original books are here, 2 sets of keys, and I'm going to close the door, fire it up, and then that way you won't be able to hear it run because I have the microphone on, but I'll still do a little walkthrough. In fact, let me just grab the phone here, and I'm going to show you the dash. This will be a cold startup as well. Haven't had it running today. Again, nice and clean across there. You can read all the gauges very clear and legible. AC blows cold, fan speed's all working. In fact, you won't be able to tell, but maybe you can hear the fan. Radio. The proof is in the whiskey. Also has cruise control. And yeah. I'm going to hand Kevin back the phone here, and we'll go through the engine bay. All right, again, 1.9 liter 4-cylinder engine. No hesitations in this car. It's a fun car to drive. We probably put about 50 or 100 miles on it. Try to drive everything, go over them, figure out what they need. This only needed PA inspections. So anyways, underside of the hood, super clean, not faded, original paint that I can tell. Same with inside the engine bay. Again, Montreal Blue metallic. Really shows nice out in the sun. Almost looks different in every picture that you take. You probably noticed on the website. All the aluminum on the engine intake in excellent condition. Same with these strut towers. There's no rust or anything showing inside here. The bolts aren't corroded up. Fluids all look like they've been topped off. Again, battery, from what I read there, it looked like it was just replaced in 2024. And just a nice car for the money. Something that you can get in, drive, enjoy, you know, and just take it out and use it. BMWs drive, in my opinion, like no other cars. They're fun, and you really don't have to do a lot to them. You can drive them for a few years, generally get your money back. Again, if you see anything else in the video, a little light right now, but we got a lot of stuff coming in. But anyways, give us a call, 724-388-4930, 724-388-4930. Again, we are in Pittsburgh, PA. We've been down here for 10 years. We have another store an hour north of here in Indiana, PA. We've been in business over 40 years, and it's all family owned and operated. So thanks for considering this car. I think you'd enjoy it.